Guys, here we are at the inspection line, and as I told you, we have the four-wheel suspension, alignment, and all kinds of inspections taking place right here. And as you can see, it's not only about the Tank 300, but also the Great Wall. This is the Great Wall cannon right there, you see? Woo! Nice! So they're making sure that the car is functioning normally. There's like a little, like a treadmill that the car kind of goes. And you see people are scanning the code. The workers are scanning the code and making sure that all the bolts are tight. You see? They're making sure that all the doors are sealed, because you want to make sure that it's water resistant and so it's water sealed. So when you're getting to a really, for example, off-road situations, that you are protected, right? Also, you see, they will be making sure that all the, like the hooks and everything, all the vital parts of the car are in a perfect condition. Now, also, as I told you, there will be, besides the alignment of the four-wheel suspension, they will check the lights, and they will also make sure that the seats and all the electronics are working properly, because there's lots of great functionality for the seats. Some are electric and stuff, so they want to make sure that everything works properly. You see that the seal right here, it must be very precise, so they're making sure that it's all weather sealed. Okay, you can see they're making sure this is probably like the back lights over here. And I mean, just the smell of the new car is really good. Like, oh, just love that smell, guys. 你现在是确保的是什么？你现在确保的是哪个部分？
右前。
Ah, so to make sure that the door closes properly. It's really cool. Let's keep moving. You see, there is the working of the fan. Also, there's all kinds of polishing tests of the paint and stuff. And this is like I don't know, like when you were a kid, this would be probably like your dream, right? To come here and experience how cars are made. And this is the final stage. This is the end, but it's a beginning, right? This is the end of the production, but it's at the beginning of the life of the car. And this new car, just stop right there.
GWM.